Amanyinga manji.
I'm just excited. I'm just happy. But Uganda sirumanyi.
Okay.
You're just sirumanyi.
Okay. Okay, for starters, what's your name?
Kirungi Daphine, Dr. Kirungi Daphine. I work from Kasese.
Work from Kasese. Okay.
Kilembe Hospital.
Hospital?
Kilembe Hospital.
So you're a doctor?
Yes, it's a government hospital.
Okay, I didn't know doctors too could organize the fish parties like this.
No, but we have money. We work money.
Doctors?
Yes, we work money.
Okay. So having money means you organizing
a
fish party?
I wanted it to make it like that.
Okay.
Just for my happiness.
Okay. Why did you choose to celebrate your birthday in this region? We heard you're not from this region.
Yes, but I have many friends this side. I always do birthdays in other districts. I decided to bring it to this side.
Okay. Why exactly this time around?
Just I'm happy to be here. I have never been in Mbarara. It's my first time to be in Mbarara.
What brings you to Mbarara?
I have many friends.
Okay. So, what has brought you to Mbarara?
To look good. I have many friends here. They wished me, they support me. Just I want to stand for woman member of parliament.
Okay. Do you have the credentials? Do you have the credentials?
Everything. I have them.
What do you have in particular?
Everything.
What in particular? Can't you specify?
No.
Nyabo.
No.
Tubule kokale ku manifesto.
Nangwa. You just come on 27th April. I will launch my manifesto.
Okay.
In Ntoroko.
Okay. So, how much money did you use?
Twarebire mukakaga ya dola. That is 100 million and above.
I want to specify 100 millions.
With 100 million of Americans.
Okay.
You leave 100.
Okay.
Leave it because you will get many questions on social media.
The birthday party.
I'm the one.
Your man behind.
No, I'm not married, you guys. I'm not.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years.
28.
1996.
Okay. What's your relationship between you and
Kacheche?
Yeah.
Is my bestie.
Yeah. That's how you know. Okay.
Is my bestie just. We are not in a relationship, no. We are just friends.
Okay.
Close friends.
Okay. We heard he acquired a new ride, and rumors has it that you're the reason as to why he got that new ride.
No, I'm not the one. No. It was his money, not mine. You ask him.
We are going to ask him.
Yes, he will tell you.
Okay.
But I'm not a part.
Okay, so what are you looking for in your ideal man? What do you want in a man specifically?
In a man?
What are you looking for in a man?
Can you be there without a man? I think that the body can ask everything.
Okay.
Yes. But I have someone.
Okay.
I have someone, guys. Here.
Okay, in Uganda there are very many artists. Why did you choose Reggie and Spicy to come and bless your occasion?
They are my favorite artists.
Okay.
They are my favorite artists.
How much did you spend on them?
Huh?
How much did you spend on them?
10 million.
Okay. What do you have to tell the fans and the viewers? Your last remarks.
My last remarks. I love my family. I love my friends. I love you also.
Okay, why?
Just say, you're a woman like me. You're a hustler like me.
Okay.
You are here because you are working money. And I'm also here. I gave you my money.
Okay.
You are eating my money. Even you.
Okay, tell the
Abantu bantoroko kambaza olulimi lwange kale. Abantu bantoroko nimbasaba akaruru. 2026 nimbasaba akaruru mwize munkome Dr. Kirungi Daphine tugenda kuongera akagambo ka honorable tanukwe abantu bantoroko kanu kagende entoroko I'm coming ninyija kwesimba kandi mpaka kani ndahi maze kurahira I have already passed.
Okay.
Just we are waiting to swear in.